Here we are, saving the bees. It's a huge hive. They've been in here for a long, long time, years. We're gonna take all these eggs, capture the queen, take everything with us. They go deep. We had to open from the bottom till here. They were using the bottom of the house as their entrance up the wall. So this is what we gotta do. We gotta take the combs with us, all the bees with us, take them with us alive. We're gonna transport them all to our rescue farm in Sebring, Florida. If you see any more bees, give us a call, 305-761-3932.
Hello, bee removers. Can I help you?
We work all areas of South Florida.